So good evening everyone and welcome to Folds. So before I dive into the session, I would like to introduce myself, a brief introduction. So I'm Shachi Jain and my origami journey started at the Japan Foundation in India. I also co-founded Increase Origami, which is an online platform created during pandemic to bring all origami enthusiasts together and learn from renowned origami masters and from each other. So I see a lot of potential in origami in the future as a design tool and as a tool for well-being. So in today's session, we will be covering what is origami and what are the benefits it offers, and a brief overview of origami in design, and then we'll be folding a model. We'll be having a hands-on activity, and so let's get started. So what is origami? So origami is a Japanese word which it's a combination of two words, ori plus kami. Ori means folding and kami means paper. When we join these two words together, it becomes origami. That K becomes G. Okay, and it's an art of folding paper and transforming a sheet of paper into 2D or 3D models using folding techniques. So, what are the benefits of origami? Why do we need to do it? So it is considered as a child's art, but not anymore, right? So, the benefits, I'll focus on benefits here. So, origami is meditative, relaxing, fun, stimulating, inexpensive, educative, mindful, and origami improves concentration, confidence, fine motor skills, hand and eye coordination, self esteem, patience, resilience, and origami is social. You tend to meet like-minded people when you do your folding activities. You can make friends. So not only in person, you can make friends online also through this activity, and it doesn't need a language. If two people are sitting together who don't cannot understand each other, they can still fold together. You will be able to show your creativity, use your creativity. Okay, and it brings two generations together. So it's an activity which everybody enjoys, be it grandpa or grandchild. Everybody enjoys this activity. So it fills that generation gap, because you have a common activity which you both enjoy, and you can have fun. If you don't have anything else to talk about, you have origami to talk about. Yeah, excellent tool for overall well-being. It has been proven with the researches and all that origami is a very good activity, because all your senses are being used. Your eyes, your hands, you can smell, you can touch, all senses are being used, right? uh, so now I'll come to origami as a design tool. So origami concepts are being used in designs in all the fields, be it architecture, be it medicine, engineering, and product design, and packaging or industrial design, industrial tools like machines and all. So for architecture, we use deployable roofs, and and plus to make it more attractive, we use those kinds of folds. And in engineering, you must have heard about solar panels. So in Japan, they have deployed solar panels which could be folded and taken into the space, and there they unfold it and it becomes huge solar panel. So in medicine, see, this kind of fold is used in those solar panel. So you can open it with just 2 points. So you can fold it like this and open it like that. And in medicine, there's something known as stent. So when there's an blocked artery, so what do? They have invented this kind of folding, and obviously material is different, which can be
in the area, yeah.
so this kind of stent goes into your artery, and wherever there's a blockage, it opens like this. Obviously there is a mechanism to open it. Right now I'm doing it with my hand. So it opens like this, and it opens your artery. Yeah, arteries. So this is one folding which is very useful in designs, and yeah, we can make foldable things with this. I mean, you can make doors and partitions with this kind of folding, right? And people make furniture. Suppose this is one folding. So if you want to make a tabletop, folded tabletop, you can make it like this. So this comes under rigid origami. So we are not talking about rigid origami now. So this was a very brief overview of how origami is being used in different designing fields. And in product designing, you must have seen folded devices and things like that. So, and packaging, folded packaging, foldable packaging. So this one characteristic of origami, with of being foldable and deployable, that is something which is very much used. And yeah, so these are this is star shade. It is I mean, NASA is working on it, or it has been made already. So this is a mechanism to unfold and fold this star shade. So again, they can fold it and make it compact and take it to space. And this is to block light from other stars, so that they can work if they have to take pictures or if they have to do something. The glare of stars is just too much, so they want to block it. Okay, this is solar panel. This is airbag, foldable airbag in cars. So origami concepts are used in making all these products. See, this is an X-ray machine, and this part is the folded part. This arm. Do you see that? There's something, this kind of folding there, so that they can, I mean, deploy it to reach where they have to reach. They can expand it basically. Okay, and I have shown this. This is stent, and this is protective shield. This is lightweight bulletproof shield. Again, origami folds are used in this to make it. Again, it can be folded, and then whenever you need, you can open it. And so today we are going to concentrate on architecture part. So whatever our model is mainly used in architecture. So so have you ever heard about the hyperbolic paraboloid?
Yes.
So yeah, so this is hyperbolic paraboloid. We are going to fold this today.
Yeah.
So it's a three-dimensional shape, and it curves downwards in one direction and upwards in the other direction. See, it has two curvatures, if you see.
There you go.
Just
So
open and
it
close
can be
Open and
folded
open and close it.
and it can be expanded like
Yeah.
that.
Fantastic.
So roofs and canopies can be made with this kind of folding, and it looks attractive, and it can be built very easily, and it is lightweight, flexible as I have shown you, and visually unique and appealing, aesthetically beautiful. And if you can see, this is one side of it. If you combine four of these, it will become like this kind of shape. And this one is with the octagon, and if you make these folds denser, more dense, then this curvature will be smoother. Right now it's not very smooth. Again, this is done with octagon, and this is done with hexagon. You can try it with different shapes. This is with the diamond shape. Okay, so we'll start with the folding part already. So we are going to start folding this model. Okay. So do you find it difficult? Does it look difficult?
It's impossible.
Impossible. No, you'll be very easily be able to do it. So you can keep the white side up and make a diagonal fold. Should I tell you about mountain and valley folds first?
Yes.
I need a sheet. So when we make a fold, suppose we are making a fold like that and open it, see, creases up and the paper is going down. It looks like a mountain. This crease is mountain crease. And if we fold it like that, right now it is like this. So now if we see, paper is coming up towards us and creases down. This is a valley fold. And if we turn the paper over from this side, this crease will be mountain and this will be valley. Okay, so it's all about mountain and valley folds. The whole origami diagrams, everything, it's all about mountain and valley folds. So as you can see in this model, we are going to make mountain and valley folds only. It's as simple as that. So now we are going to fold it, take this corner and the opposite corner, match these two corners and make a diagonal fold. Match these two corners, fold it, hold the paper there and try to fold it on the table. See, when these two corners match, put your finger there and with the other hand make the crease like that to make it a precise crease. Okay, now without unfolding this, make a nice crease and okay, unfold it and make the other diagonal fold also
As a valley fold again.
as valley fold again. And unfold it again. Turn the paper over. Right now this paper is wants to go in this direction because we have made that crease. Now what we are doing to do is we are going to fold it again, but from the other side, to make this crease neutral so that paper can be folded either way. Right?
Along the same fold.
Yeah, along the same fold.
That's on both of them, is it?
Hmm?
Both folds. Or
Both folds. fold, unfold. At this point, keep it folded like this and fold it here like this. Fold it again in half. See, this is one fold and then fold it again.
So from there,
Yes, like that in half. Now take this flap and match it with this corner, the other corner, and make a pinch to get this center mark. Just make a pinch to get the center mark. Okay. Now you have this mark. Now fold this tip, and match it with this mark which you have just made. Like this. Take this point and
Oh, that, okay.
match it with the bottom at that pinch mark.
right,
Okay. Now unfold it, and now take this bottom edge and fold it along this crease line which you have just made.
You started.
Oh, you started.
Yeah.
I thought it was 7:30.
7 o'clock. It said 7 o'clock on the diary.
So I'll repeat. No?
Yeah,
Okay.
done that.
Fold paper in half diagonally. Make 2 diagonal folds. Okay.
Yeah,
And
done that.
and then unfold and then make from the same folds from the other side to make the creases neutral
Okay.
so that they can be folded either
On the other
side.
side, the same as before.
And
Yep,
then fold it like this
in half. Yeah.
Take this
The
tip
corner.
of this okay, one more step. Take one flap and match it with the other side.
Don't
And
fold it.
don't fold it, just make a
Okay.
pinch there. We just need a middle mark. Yeah,
Down there.
yeah,
Okay.
down there
Got it.
at the bottom of the
Yeah.
triangle, right? Now take the tip of the triangle and fold it
Up to
and
the-
match it with the bottom edge.
Yes.
Yeah, on that mark,
Yeah.
right?
But the proper fold. Yes.
Yeah, unfold it, rotate it, and now fold this bottom edge
Up to the other edge.
up to the
up to the
yeah,
middle.
up to the crease that we have
To
made.
the crease. Yes.
Yeah.
Up to the crease.
Yes. So we have reached this stage where we made it like a boat, and now fold this.
Could you switch across to the other one because the contrast will be better?
This
Switch
Other
to
paper.
that, the
Switch
other
to
paper.
this one.
Yeah, exactly.
okay. Now fold this tip of the triangle and match it with this this folded paper. We are basically trying to
Go
divide this paper.
just to match the other one. Okay. Right. So
Oh, I
I've
see.
got that.
We are dividing this paper, right?
So
So
it
why
looks
not?
like
We got blue on the outside and grey on the inside.
So now you can see we have divided this paper into
Yeah.
4 sections,
Yeah.
right? Now flip the paper over. Now you can see mountain folds here.
Yeah.
Now start with the bottom one,
Yeah.
and again we are going to again divide.
Take the-
Yeah. So take the bottom edge and fold it along the first crease. The first crease,
That's three.
We're
The
folding
first
to meet
crease.
the
No,
first
and make
crease.
nice
Fold
crease
it
Are we
along.
folding it along the crease
Yes.
or to
Yes.
meet the crease?
to meet the
to make the
crease.
crease.
Oh, to meet the
To
crease.
divide it in half.
To make further divisions. See, usually we don't do, layers of paper, we don't fold it like that. But to make the process easier for first timers, so that's why we are doing it like that. And this design is, we can say it's a forgiving design. It can take those inaccuracies. Yeah. So now take this mountain fold, the bottom. You can look at the screen. You take this one, this mountain fold, and fold it, match it with this nearest crease. Okay, to divide it further, and make nice sharp creases. Unfold it. And now again take this mountain crease and match it with the nearest mountain crease like that, and divide it into sections. Am I going too fast? No, I'll see. Basically, we are divided into more sections, equal sections. Now the top of the mountain, top of the triangle, fold that also to the nearest crease.
And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4,
So
5, 6,
if we want to make it more curvy, nice, rounded curve, we can divide it further into sections. But for now, we will do just this much. You can do that later on. Okay. So what I would suggest, now you have this crease as mountain. So whatever mountain, make it valley, and whatever is valley, make it mountain. So that we can, because when we go further, we will need to fold all these creases into mountains and valley folds. So if we make it neutral, if we make all these creases neutral, then it will be easier for us. Just make nice sharp creases. You can use your nails actually, because the paper is quite thick.
Yes, back to front this time. This way. Go the other way. This way. No.
There is a way of folding it which is not as easy as this, but you will have accurate folds there, but still you will be able to make this design. Because when you search on web, you will see that folding sequence in most of the videos. Make nice sharp creases.
Okay.
You can do it on table. It will be
Good enough space.
okay.
No idea. Something like that.
Should I do it for you?
Done it?
Oh, you have done it. I didn't see your
No, we're not.
faces. Okay.
Decided against that.
Okay. And then the next step.
Let everybody do it, then we'll go on to the next step. So for all those who have done it and who missed the earlier part, so this one is we are making it with square, but you can make it with hexagon or octagon also. So you must have seen some roofs like that. If so, this kind of folding is used in architecture quite a lot.
Is it?
So everybody is done?
Yeah.
Can I see your models? I need to, as a teacher, I need to see that everybody has done their job. Yeah, cool. So now unfold it very carefully, because at the center it might get stuck. Open it.
Should be alright.
Now from the center, from the corner, from the corner, take one corner like this and make the first crease. you can see some concentric squares there. Okay, so first square you're going to make it a mountain fold. Okay, all four sides. So fold it like that. So because we have folded all these creases in both the directions, so we will not have much problem. Like this. Make the first crease as mountain fold. As I told you what is mountain and what is valley. And pinch from the sides. These corners, pinch these corners. For next fold will be valley. We are going to make one mountain and one valley. One mountain, one valley. Okay. So for this thing, you have two options. One is you are working on this side only. So for that you can look at the screen. You pinch it from sides and fold it like that. Pinch it from sides and fold it like that. I mean, you take your fingers, you can keep your fingers like that, if you can see, and
We stop if we
make
get to the middle.
valley fold here.
We stop when we get to the middle.
Yeah, you can always, rotate and do it from the other side. Half middle will be done here and half middle will be done there. And there's one more way of doing it. You flip the model over and you make a mountain crease there. So whatever works for you, you can do it that way. Or you can do a combination of both. So, yeah. You can do a combination of both. You have made the first valley, first mountain, and okay.
Do we start from the other side now?
So the thing with this, we are not folding it all the way to this point. We are just folding the squares. Now we are concentrating on squares. Okay. So we are folding it till this diagonal line. Every mountain or valley fold, we are making it till this diagonal line, not all the way to the edges.
Oh. Okay.
Okay.
Turn it once down.
It's not easy.
You fold all so that the first one's a flat line, and all the next ones go down, and all the next ones go up. you pick
So
the corners and
maybe you can do it both ways. I mean, combine both the techniques. You suppose you have to make this as mountain. You make it mountain like that. Just reinforce this crease and flip the model over and pinch the corners and make valley folds. So this way it will be made easily. Right? Pinch corners.
So it goes up and down as it goes.
So you do one thing.
Try and do it upside down.
Yeah, pinch corners. But for initial crease, for first crease, it might not work too much. But for further creases, it will be very useful. So you first concentrate on making it as mountain. This square as mountain. So fold it like this.
So then all
And
four of
this-
them.
Yeah, all
Oh,
four
I
of
thought they
them.
were alternate.
So
Oh, now. Yeah.
you have-
okay,
see.
now- yeah, got it.
See, understand that this is like this. You have these diagonal lines.
Yeah.
Okay. So whatever creases you are making till
The opposite.
till
Each
this
one.
point only, not till the edges.
Yeah.
Okay. This is very important. Take your time, no hurry.
And you're trying to get that piece like that. that.
come up, that
You-
needs
It's
to
a
go
flower.
over, and then
So
it
now
goes
at this point you can sharpen those creases. We
Yeah.
really need them sharp.
harmonica.
You wanna put that one into the.
Sure.
Or are you gonna do that?
You will be
So-
doing one more step.
Oh, closer towards you.
Yes.
There you go. Okay.
Good. Yeah, it's nice. If you really get
If you sort of press it like that, and then
I
press
can't
it,
mention
it
it
goes in.
it's like solid.
Increased it very well.
So those who have done it, now open it. I mean, sharpen these creases first.
Yes.
Is that yours?
Sharpen these creases and then open it completely and take two sides and just twist it a little bit. Open it and take two opposite sides and just twist it a little bit. You'll get this shape.
Ah.
Could you pass me my piece of paper?
Yes.
Missed that last one.
It's
So-
not very pretty, but it's.
Do that. You wanna
Did
do
I
that?
do that? Yeah.
Do that
I
again
think-
with mine in the middle.
Yeah, I think I did it in air. So your paper is torn, so maybe it might not work. But we'll try. We'll open it out completely. Okay, not the folds like that.
Completely.
We are not making it flat.
That's
And just take two sides.
Then
Although
it
it will on its
Okay.
own take its shape. If it doesn't take, then just take two opposite sides and twist it, and you will have these two nice curvatures there.
Got two, but not very
There you
nice
go.
ones.
So in architecture, this is used in making roofs and all. So this structure is lightweight and it is very efficient and strong. So that's why and it is easy to build, construct also, this kind of structure. So,
Just the other advantage that there's whole lot of straight lines in it.
Yeah.
yeah, it uses a straight line. I mean, if you're using straight beams, so that's why it is easier to construct, because it is using the straight lines only, and still you can make those curvatures. Have you seen Eiffel Tower? It is not like this. It is a little curvy,
Yeah.
I get
and
the idea.
you can make bridges with this kind of folding. So there are actually many buildings made like that, many roofs and many bridges like that. So
This one needs to be in. That one needs to be, put them all upside down on this side.
So it's a restaurant in Vietnam. So you can see the roof. It is based on these kinds of folding only.
But it wasn't built by me.
Although this is not folding, but you can see that you are using straight lines and they come like this and they make this kind of structure.
Yeah.
So you are using those concepts, principles to create
Only
structures.
Yes, only because she folded the first one under. You couldn't see that was the
Here's another structure.
that
It's a
one was folded
pavilion
right under, and then you turned that one into
in
another
some
one.
Biennale. Yeah.
That's the value from. Now you can see that actually matches that one there.
See, you can see this one side is this structure. Okay. And there are so many they have used to make this one a pavilion. Okay. And there's one more.
Those three are.
This is one, just one. This.
Fold them in again.
And see again, यहाँ पे this is I mean you're taking a different shape.
Yeah.
As I told you, you can make it with octagon, you can make it with different shapes. You can try. Okay. It looks like a Pringle shape, right? And actually, Pringle is a hyperbolic paraboloid. So it makes it stronger. You can see that this shape makes them stackable, and you will never find any Pringle broken or something because it's a strong shape for that matter. This is diagram, which
I
is
thought it was a man to eat the broken ones.
any more?
Great,
Is there any more?
okay, thank you very much.
So yeah,
you.
why do we do origami? Yeah. So why do we use origami principles in design? Because these are foldable, deployable, these are efficient, and they look really beautiful, and they solve problems. Obviously, because you want to keep something foldable, and then you want to deploy it, so it solves problems. And there's one more slide. That's it. Yeah.
Thank you.